Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, there is boundless of beauty in our culture and tradition. And now they are part of young generation responsibility to handle. But how can we do it? Well, my dear judges, families and friends, I'm Karima Nuraini Nazima Herlambang and I'm from SMPN 10 Jember. Ladies and gentlemen, youth are shaping culture in profound ways. So, today I'm honored to talk about youth and cultural treasure that defines the identity of this nation. Batik from Indonesia. Well, fellas, youth are the key of one nation's biggest future. Every single thing that youth do will definitely bring impact to one nation's future or situation. The more dedicated youths are to their nations, the brighter the future of that nation will be. You see, every nation has its own uniqueness and style. As for our nation, there are so many treasure and culture that our ancestors have left for us and that we must preserve and love. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very wonderful thing that we are granted by so many treasure that our ancestors have left for us. And our job is simply preserving it so that it will remain for our next generation in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the many treasures that our ancestors have left for us is fashion style. You see, back then, Indonesian people wore batik as their usual and casual clothes. Unfortunately, now people rarely wear batik due to comfy issues. And it also happens because people find a better alternative, such as modern clothes. Sadly, it gets rid of what makes batik it is. And this is our true nightmare, a true nightmare for us, the next generation. Not only it gets rid of our own culture, it also gets rid of what makes Indonesia it is. You see, batik has always been a very valuable treasure that almost every country known for. So, as the next generation, it is our responsibility to not let that nightmare from becoming a truth. And that's why youth needs to learn how to preserve one of the most iconic Indonesian culture called batik. Ladies and gentlemen, batik is not just a product, but it has become a symbol of Indonesia, an identity for Indonesia. That almost every school in Indonesia have their own batik design that shows unity in diversity. Well, fellas, in my school, SMPN 10 Jember, the students are given the chance to participate in preserving batik through Gerakan Melestarikan Batik held by the school. We are encouraged to create and design the batik by ourselves. And this is a big step for youth to understand and love preserving batik. And because we made the batik by ourselves, we grow proud and confident for wearing it too. Ladies and gentlemen, in summary, among the hype of any other culture, let's remind ourselves that batik is our identity. So, as the next generation, we shouldn't be ashamed for wearing batik. Batik will live and will forever remain used by everyone. Batik will never be outdated if us young generation knows how to combine batik style with the newest era. Ladies and gentlemen, let's boost our creativity and imagination into preserving our own beloved culture. I'm Karima Nuraini Nazima Herlambang. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.